Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to reset Sony A6400 to factory settings. Let's begin. First we want to navigate to our menu, and then we want to navigate using the navigation to the setup page. In the setup page you want to go to the last page of the setup and scroll down to the last version. As you can see, it is Setting Reset. We simply click on it, and as you can see now we have the ability to reset camera settings or initialize. We want to reset camera settings. As you can see now we have the ability to hit enter and reset the main camera settings. So now simply click on it, and as you can see the device is reset. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.